Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Theorem 12.1.2, which is converse of theorem 12.1.1. Converse of theorem 12.1.1. Any point equidistant from the end points of a line segment is on the right bisector of it. Any point equidistance endpoints of a line segment is on the right bisector of it. This statement is divided into two parts. One part is given and another part is it proves. So its given part is any point equidistant from the endpoints of a line segment So AB is a line segment. Suppose we take any point P. Point P is equidistant from A and B. Such that PA congruent PB any point equidistant from the end point of line segment is its given part, while on the right bisector of it is its proof part. So this any point is on the right bisector of the line segment AB. The point P is on the right bisector of line segment AB. It's required point P is on the right bisector of line segment AB. It can also be written as, suppose we take point C on the line AB, which is the midpoint of the AB, then PC is the right bisector of the AB. This statement can be divided into two factors in which PC is perpendicular to the AB and AC is congruent BC So PC perpendicular to AB can also be written as angle ACP is equal to angle BCP, which is equal to 90 degree. After the required, we take its construction. Take a point C, which is midpoint on the AB. So take a midpoint take C, a midpoint of line segment AB such that AC congruent BC join the point P to C. Its proof. Reasons. We take two triangles ACP and triangle ACP corresponding triangle BCP. There are 6 components in one triangle. When the corresponding is produced between the two triangles, then these 6 components of one triangle and 6 components of one triangle make 6 pair of components, in which 3 pairs can be used for making the triangle two triangle congruents, and remaining 3 can be found out by using the CPCT rule. So firstly we have to find out the 3 pairs which made the two triangles congruents, in which one pair is present in as given PA, PB, PA and PB, and second pair is present in its construction ACBC. And third pair is present in its common PC. With the help of these 3 pairs, we make the two corresponding triangles congruent. So triangle ACP, triangle BCP, side, 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 postulate. The remaining 3 pairs can be found out by using the CPCT rule. Here we have to need this pair angle ACP and angle BCP, because in the required, when PC is perpendicular to the AB, then angle ACP is equal to angle BCP, which is equal to 90. So we take angle ACP and angle BCP, measure angle ACP is equal to measure angle BCP by using the CPCT rule. CPCT mean corresponding parts means angles, corresponding angles of congruent triangles when angle ACP is equal to angle BCP, which is equal to 90 degree. We have, from this we have to make the PC perpendicular to the AB. For this we have to use the adjacent supplementary rule. Adjacent supplementary angles means angle ACP plus angle BCP is equal to 180. From equation 1 and equation 2, put in this equation in equation 2, then angle ACP plus BCP is equal to angle ACP (180). On adding angle ACP and angle ACP, it will become 2 and 2. Angle ACP is equal to 180, dividing both sides by 2. Angle ACP is equal to 90. So equation 1 becomes angle ACP is equal to angle BCP equal to 90 degree. When angle ACP and angle BC become 90 degree, then we can say that PC is perpendicular to the AB line segment. PC is perpendicular to the AB. According to the requirement, here we have to need the PC perpendicular to the AB and AC congruent BC. With the help of these two factors, we make this statement: PC is on the right bisector. Which is equation 3rd. From construction, AC congruent BC AC congruent BC, which will become equation 4. From equation 3 and 4, we can make PC as the right bisector of the AB. Reasons: from equation 3rd and 4th. Third equation is PC perpendicular to the AB. And fourth equation is AC congruent BC. We can write it. PC is on the right bisector. Of line segment AB. It can also be written as point P is on the right bisector AB. Which is our proof.